Now I'm going to show you how to apply the primer. No matter what surface you have, it always needs to be primed. Remember your protection and make sure you have enough ventilation. First, shake well before use. It is best to apply the primer at room temperature. Always set the spray head to high. Attach the spray gun. Keep a distance of 10 centimeters for optimal application. It is important to spray at an even pace, otherwise drops will form. To store the can after use without it sticking the next time you use it, simply turn the can upside down and spray empty. Remove the protective fleece.